Hi guys, welcome back to CallyJ's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my home style fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out and let me know what you think. So guys, here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my home style fried chicken. Here I have some washed drumsticks, seasoned flour, eggs, and I'm going to whisk the eggs, some Badia all-purpose seasoning, parsley flakes, Maggi chicken flavor, black pepper, and garlic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crush my garlic and add it to the chicken. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some parsley flakes. Guys, I don't like to use a lot of powdered seasoning on my meat. I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm just going to add some black pepper, some Maggi chicken season, and I'm just going to use my hand to rub that in. So now that I'm finished seasoning my drumsticks, I'm just going to put them back in the fridge for about 1.5 hours. So guys, I'm ready to fry my chicken. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is whisk the eggs. So now that I'm finished whisking the eggs, it's time to coat my chicken in the flour. Then I'm going to coat it in the eggs and then put it back in the flour and put it in a dry bowl. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all of the chicken. Guys, while I was coating my chicken, I put my pot on the stove to hot. I also add a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add my drumstick one at a time. So guys, you can see I add all of the drumsticks to my oil. So I'm just gonna leave this to fry for about 17 to 25 minutes, and I want all of the sides to be cooked, and then I will show you what it looks like after finished frying. And there you have it, guys, my home style fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.